Carbon is very cheap. We burn coal to heat room, to cook in barbecue, but it is one of the most important element because all living things are made of carbon compounds. Your body, my body, our organs, our DNA, everything is made of carbon compounds. Carbon is an amazing element. It comes in many different forms. Diamond is carbon. It is the hardest natural substance. Graphite is carbon. It is used in pencils. Graphite feels smooth and slippery on touching. Buckminster fullerene is carbon. This property of an element to exist in two or more different forms is called allotropy, and each form is called allotrope of that element. Means diamond, graphite, coal, Buckminster fullerene, etc. are allotropes of carbon. But why carbon element is found in so versatile forms? Carbon has the unique ability to form bond with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large molecules, and this property is called catenation. Carbon can form long chain which is found in many compounds. In diamond, a carbon is attached to 4 other carbon atoms, and we know carbon needs 4 covalent bonds to satisfy its valency, because it needs 4 electrons to acquire 8 valence electrons. So, structure of diamond is very stable. In Buckminster fullerene, a carbon atom is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Means one of the bond is double bond. It forms a closed cage, just like a soccer ball. In graphite, there are many layers. Each layer is called graphene. Each layer is made of hexagons, like honeycomb. These layers can slide past each other. That's why graphite feels so slippery, because these layers can slide on each other. No other element exhibits the property of catenation to such an extent. A short announcement: we got hundreds of comments every day for different lessons, so we are launching our Facebook page so that you can reach us effectively. Link down below. If you need something, please comment on our Facebook page. One of our volunteers will get back to you within an hour. In fact, because of catenation, carbon can form an unimaginable number of compounds. One carbon can form 4 covalent bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms, and we get CH4, that is methane. Now 2 carbon atoms joined with single covalent bond. Each atom can make another 3 covalent bond, and they do it with 3 hydrogen atoms. Now here 10 carbon atoms formed this chain. Terminal carbon atoms can form another 3 covalent bonds, so they get attached to 3 more hydrogen atoms, and in between carbon atoms can form another 2 covalent bonds, because they already made 2 covalent bonds with 2 companion carbon. So in between carbon atoms form bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms. So carbon can make so many compounds with hydrogen alone, and these compounds are called hydrocarbons. But it is not over yet. Carbon can make double or triple bond with each other. Like here, 2 carbon atoms are connected with double covalent bond. Each of them can make another 2 covalent bond. Each carbon atom makes bond with another 2 hydrogen atom, and we get C2H4. Now here 2 carbon atoms are connected with triple covalent bonds. Means each carbon atom can form one more covalent bond, so they get attached with 1 hydrogen atom, so we get C2H2. If carbons are linked with single bonds only, that compound is very stable. We called it saturated compound. If any compound has carbon to carbon double or triple bond, we call that unsaturated compound. Now in some compounds carbon form ring-like closed structure. Instead of open chain, they are called aromatic compound. Carbon compound which has linear carbon chain, it is called aliphatic compound. So linear carbon chain means aliphatic and ring-like closed carbon chain means aromatic. All the living creatures are made of carbon compounds. Whatever we eat, whatever we wear, things we get from animals, plants, everything are made of carbon compounds. These are organic compounds, the base of life. Carbon compounds are generally called organic compounds, except some carbides, carbonates, and simple oxides, cyanides of carbon. And welcome to organic chemistry. We are just starting. Thank you.